Did you know that you can cover gray without using chemicals? Unlike chemical dyes, which penetrate through the hair shaft and compromise the structural integrity of your strands, henna only gently coats and conditions the outside of the hair shaft. It may take multiple coats of henna to achieve your perfect shade, but most people who have made the transition to all-natural plant-powered color say they would never go back to chemical color again. Have you tried to use henna to cover your gray hair in the past, but it came out more red than you liked? As we age, the structure of our hair can change and make it a bit more difficult to dye. The secret to success is the two-step method. All of Morocco Method's brunette and black henna shades are made with natural red henna and indigo. Yes, the same red henna is in all of our color packages. The only thing that changes is the ratio between the henna and the indigo. This is useful to know in case you want to fine-tune your color or create your own custom shade. Keep in mind, henna sticks to hair and indigo sticks to henna. Indigo needs a solid henna base to stick to the hair in order to create those beautiful darker hair colors. If the indigo can't attach to the hair, the result will be redder than intended. The solution? It may seem counterproductive, but is actually more red henna. Starting with an extra coat of natural red henna acts as a primer for the indigo, allowing more saturation and resulting in a darker color. You can also use amla powder instead of another acid such as apple cider vinegar or tea, and that will help the indigo stick and produce cooler brown tones. If you're using light blonde henna to blend your grays in, you can use neutral henna as a base coat and do the light blonde on top of it. Or you can do multiple applications of the light blonde on its own until you get the desired color. Because the dye molecule is lighter in neutral and light blonde henna, expect to do up to 3 coats of the henna before your results are noticeable. Note that when you're following the steps to use neutral henna as a conditioner only, it will not deposit color in your hair. Check out some of our helpful links we've put in the description, and if you have more questions, our support team is always happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.